What's up guys, Johnny here, and in today's video we're going to go over Iron Mountain. This company has gone up 23% in a year and 35% in the last 6 months if you would have invested at the low point. Now in this video we are going to go over some of the basic information of this company, the dividend yield, and the quarterly payments that it pays out, as well as jump into Webull and check out some of the analytics and some charts, and also let you know what the target price is for Iron Mountain, as well as how you can make passive income with this company. And it starts right now. So all you got to do is just smash that like button for me. Okay, so Iron Mountain Inc. engages in provision of storage and information online. It basically operates through recording information in North America and Western Europe. Now, this is considered an international business, and its sole purpose is to be a global database center for information online for businesses. So the CEO is William Leo Minnie. This company employs 25,000 employees. It's headquartered in Boston, Massachusetts. It's founded in 1951. Now their market cap is $16 billion, so they definitely have a lot of money to play around with. The high today was 55.46, but the high for a 52-week period is 58.61. So this is slightly overbought, but we will go over more of that in just a minute. Now the PE ratio currently is 43.45. Now that is a really great PE ratio to have. I do not like to invest in companies with a negative PE ratio or a low PE ratio. So that is great. Now their dividend yield is 4.47%, and we're going to go over the dividend yield calendar on Nasdaq.com and show you all their past history of their dividends and how much exactly you're going to get paid out. So stick to the video and I'll show you that in just a moment. Now the average volume is 2.14 million, which is pretty great. The volume today was around 5.65 million, which is double what it normally is. Now analysts are saying, basically out of 8 analysts, 8 of the analysts are saying it's 88% buy rating. 12.5% are saying to sell. Now briefly, the bulls on their side are saying that with further maturity of certain emerging markets, that it will drive additional revenues and margins. Now the firm boasts an attractive dividend yield relative to other REITs, as well as it operating at a highly durable business model which constantly cash flows and gives new opportunities for new data centers and more growth. Now on the other hand, the bears are saying that Iron Mountain has reported earnings fell to cover its dividends, which we will go over that if they failed to do that or not, but I don't believe they have, and we'll go over that in just a second. The firm also says the business is unproven and technology and declining demand for Iron Mountain core storage. But everyone needs storage online is kind of my thoughts on that. If you want to read more, you can pause it. Now the earnings per share, it was at 46 for the last quarter. Now real quick, for everyone that wants to look at the dividends, we'll jump over to the Nasdaq. And the Nasdaq.com dividend calendar is saying that the ex-dividend date will be this month, September 14th, and the dividend yield is 4.56%. The annual dividend is $2.47. So 62-cent payout every quarter, which is fantastic. Ex-dividend date again, 9/14. The payment date will be October 4th. So you expect to get paid on that day if you are holding on to this company. So real quick, we're going to jump back into the Webull account here. Look and see some of the financials. So Earnings per share we've already went over. Revenues as of Q3 are $1.3 billion, and their net income is around $0.13 billion. Their balance sheet is not too bad at all. Q3, it's 2.1, and their net asset value is 0.6 billion. Now it has had a slow down trend. Capital expenditures 0.3 and CFPS 0.59. Financial ratio, the ROE is 76.3, and it actually has been beating its estimated ROE over the last few quarters. The ROA is at a 3, even on the money. Now, analysts also on this are saying it is a 75% buy rating out of 8 analysts. And for everyone that wants to know the price target, the average price target is $55.17, and the high is $68. But the low is $20, with recent lows as low as $40. So let's go over that before we end the video and just see some of the trend lines. So right here, if we were to pull at 40.17 and got out right here at the 54.99 mark, which it currently is at, it's a little bit lower than that right now, you would have got a 35% gain, and that is only in 6 months, which is pretty crazy. You could have bought in at this company right around February 2022 and sold at any point now in September and been up 35% in a market that is down quite significantly. This company has still been able to get some benefit from its business model. Now, if we zoom out slightly, okay, because it's saying that its price target was 68. So if we were to draw another indicator line, and let's just say you got in today. Now, I wouldn't suggest getting in today, definitely, because it is overbought. The RSI indicators are showing that it's overbought, as well as these two charts I laid out here. It's showing, you know, the downside is right around $40, $39, as well as, you know, any stock could go to zero, but the more significant downside level is right around $39. The risk for reward isn't really there. Like, say you got in at 55.82, you would be really looking at a significant loss if you were to get in at 55 and it went all the way down to the $39 mark, 28% down. Now, if it just went up slightly to where it is at a high of right now, you would only be looking at maybe about 4%. The indications are saying roughly around 68. So if you were to hold out long term until you got to about 68, you'd make about a 23% profit, which isn't too bad. Again, this is just something I'm looking at. It doesn't mean it's actually going to happen, because no one can predict the markets. So my orange is my prediction, or what the analysts are saying that price target should be at. But at the same time, now if you're going to be going long term with this company and holding long term, they do have a dividend, which is pretty great. So if you guys enjoyed this video, go ahead and smash the like button and subscribe to my channel for more stocks just like this. For more stock reviews like this.